I got plugged into a process that pays 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, and even $7,000 front end commissions. A real quick showing of two commissions I received this week. Here's a $3,000 commission and a $7,000 commission from the business model I'm about to break down for you right here on this video. It's a process that's creating $1 million yearly incomes with a single sign up per day. A process that has 52 back end offers that pay commissions for the same lead. So you can do the work one time and get paid over and over up to 52 more times on the back end. Are you ready to learn how to make 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, and even $7,000 commissions for yourself? You see, I was brought on by a longtime friend to help them take their $300,000 per year solar business to a $3 million per year solar business with a funnel and traffic solutions. As my partner broke down the business model and explained how they were crushing a offer that gave people $0 down to put solar on their home, and then showed me that with those $0 down solar signups that they were getting paid up to $7,000 in commissions, I went to work putting together a system to promote our solar solution and traffic sources to make this a pay-to-play power offer to plug you into. Thus, the Orgoglio Group was born, and the Orgoglio Group from there evolved one afternoon. We were having a conversation about conversions, and he mentioned that most of his quality referrals came from other professionals who serviced homes in other ways. And that made them the perfect business partner because they were sending us business that they had already done a great job with, built a relationship with, and then were able to easily refer another great service to. And that's when a light bulb came on. I went and gathered 52 other types of professionals that service homeowners and made a JV network that pays us up to 52 times for the same leads we generate and sell solar to. Now that I have a JV network in place and a funnel to promote the services, I built a team of phone closers to handle all of the follow-up and set up paid advertising campaigns, creating a double ROI off just the front end, not factoring in the back end commissions. And now I'm ready for you to join the Orgoglio Group. There's no cost to join the Orgoglio Group, so congratulations. Since you made it this far in the video, you're officially in. You will make $1,000 per sale. You make that the phone closers follow up with for you. Now, if you generate the lead and then close the lead yourself, you'll make $1,500. If our system closes the lead that you generate without the need of a phone closer following up with that lead, you'll make the $1,500 commission as if you followed up with them yourself. This business model gives a serious advantage to those who decide to run paid advertising with us. From your first paid advertising traffic run, your base commission will double for every solar sign up from $1,000 to $2,000, meaning you'll earn $2,000 every time the phone closer closes a lead our paid advertising generates and every free lead you generate from there on. Now, if you close the lead that you followed up with yourself, whether it's a lead that we generated from our paid advertising or that you generated from your free lead generation after running paid advertising with us, then you're going to make the full $3,000 commission on that lead. Every lead will also see the relevant services in their area that may need for their home. So you will earn up to 52 different back end commissions off of every lead, whether they buy solar on the front end or not. And 12 of those back end commissions are residual services that they pay for monthly, some services even weekly. Your solar sales will be 2,000 or 3,000 if you close them yourself, and then pay you up to 52 more times and up to 12 times a month ongoing. Our paid advertising options are 2,000, and you'll get access to the phone closers, and CPA campaigns will be sent to your leads on your behalf, relevant to homeowners, to offer them different services that we get paid commissions for, whether it becomes a sale or they just put their name and email address into a box to check out the information. So it's a great way to extend your ad spend and to get some of your paid advertising cost offset so that these sales that you make are profit in your pocket instead of catch up for your paid advertising spend. At the $4,000 level, you're going to get the phone closers and the CPA campaigns, but your first sale, you're going to make a full $4,000 on the commission, whether you close it or someone closes it for you, so you can make a full return on your investment from the first commission, and then you're going to go back to either $2,000 if you let the phone closers close it themselves, or $3,000 if you close it yourself. Now, at the $10,000 level, things get fun. You get access to top phone closers. You get $5,000 commissions until your positive ROI, and you get CPA campaign profits to increase your advertising spend, whether they come from you or from the entire traffic run from everyone running ads with us that week. So you can drastically increase the amount of leads and potentially sales you see from this $10,000 package on, because it's something that becomes a relevant theme with what we have going on. At the $15,000 package, you're going to have access to our top phone closers. You're going to make $5,000 commissions until your positive ROI. Plus, you're going to get a share of the CPA campaign's profit from the traffic run. So for the 2 weeks that you run the $15,000 package with us, the entire traffic run generates CPA campaigns. The profits that come in, they don't have to go back to your ad spend at this point. You can choose if you want to take some of them home, if you want to increase your advertising spend on a rather large week, if you want to double back down and get you a whole nother ad spend from the profits, etc. It's a part of your profits to choose from what you do with. And then $25,000 package, you'll have access to our top phone closers. You'll have phone closing priority for all of your leads. Your $5,000 commissions will be ongoing. This is something that we switched here before we switched this last slide to where you're making $7,000 commissions for your first 4 signups, and then you're making $5,000 commissions for the rest of the traffic run. And then you're getting a share of the CPA campaign's profits for the entire month. So just like I mentioned for the 15K package where you'll get it for 2 weeks, for the entire month that you run the $25,000 traffic package with us, all of the CPA campaign profits that we bring in from everyone who runs a traffic run with us for that month, you're going to get a percentage of those profits. It could equate to a whole nother traffic run for you. It could equate to a nice pocket of profit, especially as we get to where we're a larger organization with more and more people buying these larger packages. It could substantially become serious income as a bell, as a perk, as a whistle, because obviously these traffic packages create leads that our phone closers turn around and close for you. That, of course, results are not to stay, that they will be this way, but as of to this point, every traffic run that we've ran is converting at a double ROI from these traffic different options. So if we spent $2,000, we made $4,000. If we spent $25,000, we made $50,000, is how simple it is before the back end commissions were calculated in. And then at that point, the CPA campaign profits are just your cherry on top. So all of these traffic packages will get you going in the right direction. Obviously, we reward you for the more you're willing to spend, because this is a pay to play business model with, again, up to $7,000 commissions in play. So it's definitely something that you want to choose which paid advertising package you want to start with, take seriously. Join the Facebook group to learn how to generate even more solar leads from social media while we run the paid advertising for you, and get ready to have this be the craziest ride and one of the best business experiences and probably life experiences that you've had in a long time. I'm appreciative to get to be a part of it, and I'm so excited to get to say welcome to the Orgoglio Group. I'm excited to help you create another lucrative income stream and get to partner with you, some of you for the first time, and many of you get to partner with you again. And that's not financial advice. That's a fact of life. Go ahead and click the link and join the group and choose which traffic package works for you, and we will get you rocking.